Dear student of class 5 from the HN Academy, be happy, watch my video, be sincere. We will learn to sum of more than 6 digits with respect to addition with the help of place value chart. Just see here, it is related to your syllabus from prescribed mathematics book, class 5th. Topic is addition of up to 5 digit numbers. In this page, you are looking clearly. It consists already classwork and homework. We have to find out sum of, just read it. This numeral is of 3, 3, 6, 8 digit. 8 digit. How can you read? You know already, but I am going to repeat it. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 3 crore. 3 crore, 27 lakh, lakhs, 43,156. And 2 crore, 8 lakh, 5,614. And last one, 5 crore, 74 lakh, 32,185. Let us try to sum it. So here I have prepared a chart already for you. You can understand better how. See here, these are of 8 digit, and I constructed a table with the help of place value in 9 column. We start from ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Put your numeral according to their place value. 6 is at the place of ones, I have put here. Similarly, 5 is the tens, at the place of tens, 100, 3,000, and 4, 10,000, 7 lakhs, 2, 10 lakhs, and 3 crore. According as, write again these two numerals. How can we add? We start from right to left. What is in the left? From where you will start? You start from the ones. Do you know already? Because of the student of class 5th, you are with the help of place value. First step written here. 6 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones. These 3 ones get you 15 ones. It means 10 plus 5. 110 and 5 ones. Put here 5 ones. It will be carried out at the place of tens with the red I have put here. Now second step. This carry 1 tens, 1 tens, 5 tens, 1 tens, and 8 tens. Sum these tens, 1, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 15, 15 tens. 15 ten means 150. It consists to place value, that is 105 tens. Then you can put 5 tens here and carried 100 and the place value of 100. Now again take 30 step, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 600, 600, again 100, 100, sum of these is equal to 900. There is no any carry, so write clearly 9, no carry means 0 at the place of 1000. Now again take your fourth step, listen carefully. You can repeat again and again to understand it. I am going fast. Take step 4. Step 4. What will 1, 2, 3, 4. At the place of 1000. You have already somewhere. 0 plus 3, it means 3000, 5000, 2000. This will get you 10,000. 10,000 means 110, 0,000. It means here will be 0 and 10,000 carry 1. Again fifth step will be, our fifth step will be 110, this carry 4 10,000, 0 10,000 and 3 10,000, total at 10,000. At 10,000 there is no any carry, it is unit. Then put here at no carry means at the place of lakh carry will be 0, it means nothing. Again take sixth step, 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 4 lakhs, total after adding we are getting 19 lakhs. 19 lakhs means 110 lakhs and 9 lakhs. Put here 9 lakhs and carry out 1 here 10 lakhs. 1 10 lakhs will be carried at the place of 10 lakhs. Again your sixth step, 1 10 lakhs, 1 10 lakhs, 2 10 lakhs, 7 10 lakhs, again 0 10 lakhs. It will be again 1 first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step. We have done already up to 6th step. Now we are going to solve this 7th step. Value of 10 lakhs, place value at the place of 10 lakhs value. Now 1 10 lakh carried out from the 19 lakhs. 1 lakh, 1 10 lakh, 2 10 lakh, 0 10 lakh, 7 10 lakh. Some days 10 lakhs. It means 10 means 10 1 crore 0 10 lakhs. 1 crore 0 10 lakhs. So 0 10 lakhs carried out here 1 at the place value of crore. Now again take last step. Last step will be, now we have to add these digits which are at the place value of crore. Now This one has come after adding them in the form of carry. Now this is step 8. 1 crore, 1 crore, plus 3 crore, 3 crore, plus 2 crore, 2 crore, plus 5 crore, and adding them you are getting 11 crore. 11 crore means 1 10 crore, 1 10 crore and 1 crore. It means 1 crore and 1 10 crore. Sorry, 1 10 crore, 1 10 crore. According as there is no any problem with respect to the place value of these numerals, make a chart and put ones to left to right in the column of place value, and simply step by step you can add them, and at last you will get result. What will be the result? 11 crore 9 lakhs 985. This is your answer. I am going to give you some homework on the basis of this. Do practice again and again. Repeat it. Watch again and again. After taking pause of your video, you can see properly. You can hear me properly, and then be ready to write some homework. Now, my dear cute children, you have understood what I have described you. These are homework for you. It should be done by you. Find the sum of the following numerals step by step. As earlier, what was illustrated by me, step by step with the help of place value chart. These questions, see properly. 3274,315, 208056, 1, 5, right, 5743,218. Second question, 238415, 28419,631 and 697. Sum you have to find out sum. 20308419 plus 523419 plus 5541,337. What will be read by you these numerals? Now it's your matter. It's just not my matter. It's your matter, because I have illustrated you. Good. Do best and meet with me tomorrow or next video. Thank you.